Good morning, student. Let us see the remaining problems in exercise 6.1, question number 4. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point having position vector I plus 2j plus 3k and perpendicular to vectors I plus j plus k and 2i minus j plus k. Let us solve this question. Given that let a point A whose position vector is A bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k be a point on the line, isn't it? Now let P bar is equal to I plus j plus k and Q bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k be two vectors which are perpendicular to the vectors A bar, isn't it? And we know that a vector which is perpendicular to both P bar and Q bar is P bar cross Q bar. Therefore, A bar is parallel to P bar cross Q bar, isn't it? Given that A bar is perpendicular to P bar and Q bar, we know that P bar cross Q bar is also perpendicular to P bar and Q bar. Therefore, A bar is parallel to P bar cross Q bar, isn't it? Now we find P bar cross Q bar. Therefore, P bar cross Q bar is equal to I j k 1 1 1 2 minus 1 1, that is equal to I into bracket 1 plus 1 minus j into bracket 1 minus 2 plus k into bracket minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k. This is P bar cross Q bar, isn't it? We can denote this as B bar because B bar is parallel to A bar. Therefore, vector VCTR, vector equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to the vector B bar is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Now just put the values now. Therefore, R bar is equal to A bar is I plus 2j plus 3k, isn't it? Plus lambda B bar is P bar cross Q bar, that is 2i plus j minus 3k. In this way, which is required vector equation of the line. In this way we can solve this question, isn't it? Let us see question number 5. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the point having position vector minus I minus j plus 2k and parallel to the line r bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda in bracket 3I plus 2j plus k. Let us solve this. The line is given. The line is passing through a point whose position vector is a bar is equal to minus I minus j plus 2k, isn't it? Required line is parallel to the line r bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda 3I plus 2j plus k. Which will be parallel to the vector b bar is equal to 3I plus 2j plus k. Actually, this is our line. This is the point A on this line. A bar is equal to, given that, minus I minus j plus 2k, isn't it? This line is parallel to the line, this line. R bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda in bracket 3I plus 2j plus k, isn't it? And we know that this is the vector which is parallel to this line r bar is equal. This is the vector b bar which is parallel to this, and this is also parallel to this, 3I plus 2j plus k. Therefore, a bar is parallel to b bar, isn't it? Now, required line is also parallel to b bar. Therefore, vector equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to the vector b bar is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Now put the value. Therefore, r bar is equal to a bar is minus I minus j plus 2k, isn't it? Plus lambda into b bar is 3I plus 2j plus k, which is a which is required equation, vector equation of the line. In this way we can solve question number 5. Let us see question number 6. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through point A -1, 2, 1 and having direction ratios 2, 3, 1. Solution. Required line is passing through a point A -1, 2, 1 is equal to x1, y1, z1. A bar -I plus 2j plus k. Direction DRS 2, 3, 1 and DRS are 2, 3, 1. This is the value of A, B, C. Therefore, Cartesian equation of the line is x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to z minus z1 upon C. That is x minus value of x1 is -1 upon value of A is 2 is equal to y minus value of y1 is 2 upon value of B is 3 is equal to z minus z1 value of z1 is 1 upon value of C is 1. That is x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 1, which is required Cartesian equation of the line. In this way we can solve question number 6. Let us see question number 7. Find the Cartesian equation of the line passing through point A 2, 2, 1 and B 1, 3, 0. Solution. Very easy. This question is also very easy. Required line is passing through the 2 points A 2, 2, 1 and B 1, 3, 0. This is x1, y1, z1 and this is x2, y2, z2. Let P x, y, z be any point on the line. Then Cartesian equation of the line passing through the 2 point point is given by x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Now just put the values of x1 and x2. That is x minus 2 upon value of x2 is 1 minus 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is equal to z minus 1 upon 0 minus 1. That is x minus 2 upon minus 1 is equal to y minus 2 upon 1 is equal to z minus 1 upon 1. This is required Cartesian equation of the line. In this way we can solve question number 7, isn't it? Remaining questions we will see in coming video.